Is your face hurting you? Are you finding it difficult to eat? Do you cry yourself to sleep at night? Well, this is the video for you.
This video is not sponsored.
How to make Invisalign less painful. Tip number 1, when it comes time to go on to the next tray, put it in the night before. I find that the peak of soreness is just after you put in a new tray, but if you put it in at night, you get to sleep through some of that pain and you get to wake up feeling a little less sore than usual. If you put it in first thing in the morning, you have to live through that entire day of pain. Tip number 2, use your Chewies. They're not only helpful for helping to push your new tray into your teeth, they're also very soothing. It's very massaging. You know how babies, when they're teething, they like to chew on stuff? Well, my friends, we are like babies. Do I have a Chewy to show you? Maybe. Oh, here we go. I found a Chewy. This is a Chewy. Use your Chewy. This is an adult teething toy. And it's a jaw workout. Before you put in a fresh aligner, take your finger and feel the edges. If there is even the slightest point or rough edge, it will cut your tongue. I've been there. If you feel any roughness at all, take a nail file and you file that down. I used an aligner that had a teeny tiny little pointy part and it made my tongue bleed. So from now on, I've been very careful because we don't need any more pain. Feel it and file it. Avoid crunchy, chewy foods the day after you put in a new aligner. Eat some soup, eat a smoothie. Just keep it soft, keep it liquidy, keep it gentle on your teeth until the soreness starts to subside. Be gentle when you're flossing. I don't know about you guys, but I have some pretty big gaps opening up on the sides of my teeth because my teeth are trying to make room to put this guy back in his place. Sorry, not back in his place, but in his new home. And because of these gaps, food gets stuck in there so easily. And when you're flossing a gap, it's so easy to hurt your gums because there's this big gap. It's not like tight. And it's not like one little point. It's like this. And you're like stabbing your gums, making things bleed. At least I've been there. So be gentle when you're flossing. If you have any gaps in your teeth, be extra cautious with those spots because if you are too rough in the gaps, you might cause some irritation, cause some bleeding, cause some gum soreness. Scoop. Be gentle. Take your time. Don't be distracted. A moment of roughness equals potentially many days of pain. Let me know in the comments below. Do you have any tips for making Invisalign less painful, a little bit more easy, a little bit more breezy, a little bit less sore? I wish you the best of luck on your journey and I wish you nothing but pain-free days ahead. I love you so much and I'll see you in the next video.